So it is you, Ibekwe. Now listen, I am not ready to banter words with you. Neither am I ready for any of your troubles.
Your Majesty, my king, I have realized myself and I've come to pay allegiance to your rulership.
Did I hear you right?
Yes, my king. I have come to make peace with you so that we can move the kingdom forward.
Sit down.
Thank you, my king.
Ibekwe.
My king.
Now tell me the truth. Is this really from your heart?
It's from the depth of my heart, my king. Iwe, look. You are my late father's sister. There is no need of me fighting you. I have come to make peace with you so that we can work together and move our kingdom forward. You sitting on this throne is as good as me seated there. Please, my king, forgive me.
Are you sure?
My king, in order to convince you, I want you to perform the Onali ritual on me to confirm my total submission to your rulership.
May the gods of...
Stupid woman, you will remain here.
Evil man! Flog him! Forget the throne! Ah, the throne is mine! Evil man! Ah!
Very well!
Ah! Evil man!
Flog him till he's got you to right senses!
The throne belongs to me!
You never hold the throne!
Ah! Forget the throne, evil man! Ah!
Flog him!
Evil man!
Flog him!
Ah!
Flog him!
This is very bright. Igwe.
You guys sit down, my people.
Igwe, we have come to ask for a favor from you.
A favor?
Yes.
My king,
Omalicham.
here's the water you requested for. My husband. The water. The water.
Hey!
What is it?
Oh. Hey.
What?
Hey, Ma. I was dreaming. In that dream, I was where I supposed to be.
Daydreaming.
You messed it up for me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay? But you can have your water, then you come inside to continue daydreaming. Since you prefer it there.
Hi. Your Majesty, the dreams I keep having continues to point that you may not forget this throne for me, even when the full moon cycle must have been completed.
Ibekwe, if not that you are royalty, I would have ordered the guards to teach you a lesson that you will never forget this morning. But let me tell you, as long as air passes through my lungs, and I sit on this throne, you must be patient until the moon cycle is completed. And only then, I will vacate the throne for you.
Igwe, every passing day looks like eternity to me. Your Majesty, why can't you just stand up from this throne and crown me the king of this kingdom? You have enjoyed enough. Let me sit there and enjoy this, all those things you have been enjoying. What is this? I am tired of this waiting.
Silence! I can see your stubbornness is incurable. Guards!
Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Get him out of here now.
Move.
My husband, I don't want you to kill yourself because of the situation. No condition is permanent. It can be bad today, but good tomorrow.
Like this. Ma, when a man is poor, he will even answer the call of a ghost. My uncle, the acting Igwe, has perpetually put me in suffer with the evil treatment he meted for me and my family.
This is not poverty. This is more like someone holding something that belongs to a child and decides to take their hands up for the child not to be able to reach it. But it's going to be your turn soon. Just a little more patient.
Ma, I went to speak with the acting Igwe, my uncle, and also remind him that he is just a caretaker to that throne for me.
And what did he say?
My uncle ordered me to get out of his presence.
He ordered you out?
Do I have water in my mouth while saying it? Ezekwe.
Mother, good afternoon. Mother, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ezekwe.
Ezekwe, where is the firewood they send you to go and fetch?
It's at the back of the house.
Eze, food is ready. Yours is inside. Go and eat, then go get me more water.
Okay, Mother.
Omalita, just take a look at me. Am I not man enough to make a decision for myself?
Yes, you are.
It is clear to me that my uncle, the acting Igwe, Mbadike, is doing all day so that I will die before it is my time to ascend that throne.
You will not die.
Fine. I just want you to assure me that I am mad enough.
You are man enough.
Let me go and hunt.
Ibekwe, is this why you came to see me?
Is it not important enough?
I don't understand. Do you want to kill my brother to ascend the throne? Eh? I've told you to wait. Ibekwe, wait. Wait until he hands the throne over to you. Eh?
Wanyama, stop telling me to wait. I am afraid that my uncle may not agree to hand over that throne to me when the moon cycle is completed. Mbadike loves power too much. The way he loved that throne, he is ready to rule this kingdom from his grave when he must have joined his ancestors. I know what I'm saying.
So what do you want to do?
You are asking me as if I know what to do, and I'm here talking with you.
Ibekwe, go home and take care of your wife and my late sister's child, Ezekwe. You don't have a choice but to wait. The moon cycle must be completed, except the king voluntarily hands over to you. If not, you will not do anything. Now listen, I hope you're not trying to do anything evil. I hope you're not planning to kill my brother.
Wow.
Because you know the repercussion. You know the consequences. It's a taboo. A very terrible thing to do. You better have a rethink.
Why, ma? I am not planning to kill my uncle. Mother, go and talk to your brother. Let him hand over my throne to me.
Be patient.
Why, ma? Be patient, be patient. Until when?
When did he? Onye nwelu ndidi. N'edikwa n'azukpo.
Omuna, my kinsman. You see, Ibekwe here came to me.
Prince Ibekwe.
Yes, Prince Ibekwe.
Yes. Prince Ibekwe. Oh, okay. Prince. Sorry now, wait. Prince Ibekwe came to me and asked me to summon this meeting for him. He has something to tell us. Ibekwe, you can.
Ichie. I said Prince Ibekwe. I don't know why you are always forgetting that title. Add this for me, Prince Ibekwe.
Sorry. Prince Ibekwe. Address the people.
Thank you. My kingsmen, our people say that the chick that is crying in the hands of a kite only wants people to know that the kite has actually violated its right. I requested for this meeting to register my unhappiness on how my uncle has been treating me. He does not regard me as someone who will take over from him.
So he came to me.
Hey. Don't stop me, please. I'm not done. Don't say anything again unless I ask you to do, please. Mbadiga has refused to hand that throne over to me. Even when I've come of this age, with my height, he has held onto that throne like a crab. I am telling you because I will do something each and every one of you will hear and regret.
Easy. Prince Ibekwe. Look, the only way to be a winner is not to quit or accept defeat.
Liar Ichie, I have not called you here to tell me what to do with the remaining part of my life. Rather, go and advise your king to act wisely and stop marginalizing me. I have come of age. They gave him that throne to hold for me. I don't know what is keeping him from giving me back that throne. I have come of age.
Easy. Ibekwe. Sorry.
Prince Ibekwe. Prince.
Sorry now. I have said sorry.
Oh no, Prince.
Prince Ibekwe. We have heard your complaint. And we shall advise the Igwe accordingly. So calm down first. Have I spoken well?
Yeah, indeed you have. You have.
Ichie Mbadike. I want you to come and buy that my land at Ofowe. I need money to prepare myself, just to put myself in order.
Hey, Ibekwe. Do you realize what you are asking me to come and do? Eh?
Ichie, I simply said you should come and buy that my land at Ofowe. Am I sounding like a madman?
Bamba, I did not say so.
I am only saying that what you are asking me to do is not possible, my brother.
How? How is it not possible? Coming to buy my own land, not possible. Why?
Do not misunderstand me, my kinsman. You see, buying any land, any piece of land is normal. And very possible. But for me to come and buy a land from you, hey, that is very not possible.
Ichie, but the land is my own. The land belongs to me.
It might be your land though. But unless the Igwe gives his approval, there's nobody in the royal household that can sell any property in the family. Nobody. Not even you.
Says who?
That is said by your uncle Igwe Mbadike. He made a decree. See, Ibekwe, if I venture, if I take the risk of purchasing this land, from you, not only will I be fined heavily, you should know that, but I must also lose the land in question.
So that is what it is. Ichie, you see why I have been crying out for help. There is no problem, you can go.
My kinsman, I'll be going. But I will always advise you, please, be careful.
This man, we shall see.
Ibekwe, I heard you went to Hofowere to sell that land without consulting me. Why?
Don't I have the right to sell my own portion of land, Your Majesty?
It is very, very wrong of you to have done that without first consulting me. Why? Why, Ibekwe? You must take order from me before you do anything.
Your Majesty, you would have equally given order that before I breathe, I will come and take permission from you. Before I meet my wife, I will come and take permission from you. I don't want to say what is in my mind. And the only thing that matters to me in this kingdom right now is for you to forget the throne, let me occupy. Forget the throne, let me occupy.
Ibekwe!
Forget from that throne. Forget from that throne. Let me occupy. Don't stop telling me about land. What's the problem?
What vulgar.
Ma, I told you. Didn't I?
What did you tell me?
That my uncle Mbadike wants to destroy me. That man has determined to make me suffer by holding on to that which is rightfully mine. That which is rightfully mine, that man has refused to give it to me. Treating me like I am one of his slaves.
Why don't you just calm down? Be patient. My husband, please. You have just 2 more moon circles to ascend that throne. So just calm down. It will be yours. You know that.
Omalicha, that one aside. First, my uncle called me to his palace today. And I went there. My uncle said all kinds of things to me. Omalicha, could you believe that my uncle requested to know why I intend to sell that land at Ofowere?
Wait, you are tempted to sell any land?
Is it a crime? I only want to sell the land.
Why would you want to do that? Why? And to think you never mentioned it to me, your wife.
I don't understand you. Must I discuss everything with you?
Yes, because I'm your wife. And I have every right to know your intentions.
Omalicha, I can't do that one. The day I will do that, you cease to be my wife and become one of my king's men.
What are you saying?
Are you not a woman? Must I tell you everything? Omalicha, must I tell you everything?
Why not?
Don't you know that anything that enters into the ears of a typical woman goes to their heart, then escapes through their mouth? Are you telling me now that?
Okay. So what exactly are you suggesting?
Whatever I did should wait first. You need to attend to me inside first. Don't waste my time.
I need to attend to you first.
Oh, Malika, stop. Don't stand up and go and attend to me first. Immediately, please.
My darling husband, calm down.
Come inside. Ichie, you said it's your brother's son who trades at Arrow. Okay, the land is from this very tree here down to that palm fruit there. Then you move. Look at that. There is a plantain over there.
I'm seeing it.
From
I'm
there
seeing it.
to this very tree here. I am the owner. So.
Ibekwe.
Why am I?
So it is true you want to sell a piece of the family land without the king's knowledge?
Why am I? Am I not eligible to sell my own portion of land? My own portion of the family land? Listen, let me tell you. Until you are married and go to your husband's house, that is when you can put your mouth in a matter like this. I'm the owner of this land.
Really? Ibekwe, did I hear you say that?
Yes.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Remind me that I'm not yet married.
And it is your bad behavior that has kept you unmarried up till now.
What did I do wrong now? I just asked a simple question.
Only if and when you are married, you can ask your husband that question.
I don't blame you. Do whatever you like. Suit yourself. Madman. Onyala.
You better be it your land. Is it your land? If I sell the land, is it your property? Ichie, don't mind this mad woman here. Like I said, Alasieba. Ezekwe.
Nam.
Come.
Father.
Ezekwe.
Yes, Father.
Sleep closer. Okay. You are really growing into a man.
I will grow one day.
Like the fish that jumps into a boiling pot of oil. That's by the way. Ezekwechi, I hope you will be able to take care of my wife when I'm not around.
How? But she is your wife, my mother, and you are still around.
All this. Ezekwe,
Nam.
since your mother died and your father followed, you have lived here with us like a son, to an extent that everyone in this kingdom has forgotten that you are not my biological son.
But I am your real son now. Or do I have any other to call my parents?
I was only trying to lay the foundation of my discussion. Ezekwe, listen to me. Let no one, be it man or woman, put you in their loin bag because of your size. You are a man. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, Father.
Good. You can go now. You can finish that remaining one.
Thank you.
Take this.
Ma,
you lie! Ma, you lie!
Now you don't have to
to do this, please.
Lanya,
You don't have to do this.
You cannot stop me. I must do something that will make this kingdom shop. I must do it.
Hey.
Listen to me, your tears cannot stop me. This thing has turned into mourning. Because I am seeing myself and beginning to think that I'm already a dead man and you're a widow.
The gods forbid. I will not be a widow.
Then allow me to do what is in my mind. I promise you it will be for our own good.
Our own good?
Yes.
That is what you've been saying. Yet, nothing. It's been years, nothing. Do you know, the thing you should do to make this village and myself shudder is for you to plant a seed, a fruitful one, inside of me, so I can bear us children.
Is it my fault? Ma, how is it my fault? I have been distributing my seed inside you, but you have refused to turn them into children. How is it my fault?
I'm not the gods, I don't give children.
Okay, I promise you I will pour in another one. This very one will definitely bear fruit.
Nani!
Nothing will stop me from doing what is in my mind.
What? Nani, no. Why are you doing this to me?
Mother, stop crying. Eh? He has promised to give you a baby very soon. And anyone he gives you, you manage it like that. Eh?
It's the way you won't understand. You don't understand. It's the way you won't understand.
I know.
You don't understand. I'm in pain.
Stop crying. Eh? You know I don't like seeing you crying. Eh? Sorry.
Oh, children.
My husband,
Amalicha.
did you enjoy the food?
Yes, of course. Thank you for the meal.
Can we go inside?
Go inside and do what? We are good here.
When you left, I met with a diviner because I was worried about our childlessness. And she instructed that I meet with my husband, not when the sun is at its peak or when it's nightfall, because we've tried that and it never worked. But she instructed I meet with you at dusk and I'll get pregnant. I'm very convinced that this time, if we follow the instruction, it will work.
Ma,
No.
thank you for the food. The meal is extremely delicious. I thank you for that. For the fruit, I also thank you. But the mission before me will not permit me to look at what is in between a woman's two legs. Not to talk of going in there. So your mission is not possible.
Mission? I don't know what you're talking about. Nani, let's go inside. Bcos. You're my husband. I have... Nani, please, I want you.
Ma, I said your mission is not possible.
Please, I want to follow the instructions the diviner gave to me. Please. Nani, Bcos. Nani, Bcos. Nani, Bcos. Nani, Bcos.
So let me understand. You mean he truly ran away? Eh?
This man has ruined my life. He has ruined my life in Ankara.
I don't think he has run away because that his bag is still inside the house.
Well, you see, I I think your husband is just trying to play some pranks on you. You heard the young lad. His bag is still inside the house. And you know your husband. He cannot possibly travel without his bag.
Which bag?
That's his bag. It's still inside.
Go and get it.
Okay.
Don't worry, nothing to worry about. Eh? I'm sure he will come back. He's just playing a prank. Eh?
So.
It's no problem. No need to worry.
It's no longer there.
What do you mean it's no longer there?
See, I told you. I know my husband. He's gone. He's gone.
What is happening? How can a man like Ibekwe run away, abandoning his home, a pretty wife, and his imminent position as crown prince, heir apparent to the throne of Nkara? No. Something is wrong somewhere.
I told him to be patient. I told him to be patient, but he wouldn't listen. He wouldn't listen.
Don't worry, eh? Take heart. Take heart, eh? Let me just go and rise up some youths, eh? They will go and search for him the length and breadth of this land. I am sure we'll find him. Eh? No, don't cry. Ezekwe.
Iche.
Please console her, eh? Let me go and tell the youths. I'll be back.
Why would you do this to me? Why would you do this to me? What did I do?
You'll be back soon. You'll be back. Please, stop crying.
My wife, I was on my way to see you.
I was also on my way to see you. I hope all is well.
All is well. I heard that Ibekwe disappeared from home.
I woke up to discover that he has disappeared from home. And I don't know where he went.
Hey! Ibekwe. He's so impatient. Eh? Anyway, what will you do? Eh? You will not kill yourself because of Ibekwe. I told him to be patient. But he said no. He refused. Eh? He wants Zigwe to die today so he can get on the throne.
What did I not say to persuade him? But he wouldn't listen. Look at me. No child. Not even one.
It's okay. Alright? He will return when he makes home. I know him too well. I only pray he does not stay long away.
Pray so. That's if he's still alive. If he's still alive.
Ma, like I said, do not kill yourself because of Ibekwe. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, you can go now. Huh?
Thank you.
Let me go back home.
Crying will not bring back your husband if he has killed himself.
May the gods forbid. May the gods forbid my husband will not kill himself.
I didn't say he will kill himself. I said if he has killed himself.
What will I do? That means I will be a widow. I will become a widow. I don't want to be a widow. May my forefathers don't let me wash my hands clean and share my candles to straying beds.
Stop crying. Eh? I'm here with you. Both of us will stay here and I will take good care of you. Please.
See? You won't understand my situation. I know you will take care of me. I know.
It's okay now.
Badike,
I hope all is well.
all is not well. All is not well, all is not well.
So what happened? Did somebody die?
Nobody is dead yet, but the Igwe is seriously sick. Very, very sick.
May the gods forbid. Igwe kwa?
Igwe.
But I was with Igwe just yesterday.
Lolo ran to me this morning to tell me that the Igwe became very sick last night.
May our forefathers forbid.
He said...
Hey! Ndị achọkwa ịnwa obodo a ọnwụnwa e. The enemies of the throne will never succeed.
He said...
Ichokike, I was just about going home. Okay. Yeah. But there is no need to do that. Let me just follow you from here. Let us go to the palace. Hey! They will not succeed. Hey! Hey! Our ancestors will never allow any evil to befall us in this land.
Any hand that will bring death to this community, may it wither and become leprous.
He say,
My elders, I greet you. Greetings of the way. You go want to see Ishi Okeke.
What? I hope his condition has not deteriorated.
Please come with me immediately.
Okay. Let's go.
Hey, this matter is becoming very serious. Eh?
Enemies
everywhere. They will not get off.
How is he?
I hope he's okay.
He demands that Mbadeke, the healer, be brought to him immediately.
That is good now. Are you going to see him, or should I go for him on my way home?
Let us go and see him at once. There's no need to delay.
No time for delay. Let's go.
Let me collect my
machete. Hey!
Listen. I have never seen this kind of sickness that find him.
Mbadaike, we thank you. You have tried your best. We appreciate your efforts, but the gods know what is best for us. Great healer of our land, I want you to know that wherever the Igwe is now, he appreciates all that you have done. Thank you.
I believe you know what to do.
Yes, great healer. We know what to do. We know what to do exactly, and we shall swing into action immediately. I want you to also know that the entire council of elders will come to you to bring our appreciation. Thank you.
It's okay.
Lolo, please, hold yourself together. Hold yourself together. The king is not dead, but has gone to be with his ancestors. He realizes how much you have loved him all these years. I am sure he appreciates you. But you and I know that any tears at this point will desecrate this land. Bikololo. Oh? Emetakolai haro. Go to your quarters. Hold yourself. Ndo. Karobi. Oh? Okosisi Adago. The great Iroko has fallen. Our great king has journeyed to be with his ancestors. My kinsmen, we all know that death is the way of all mortals. But it is important that we remember that at this point there must be no tears, no wailing, no one shall cry in the land of Nkara until the great Ikoro has been sounded. We all know how dire the consequences will be. Information should be disseminated to every household to hold themselves.
Oh no, who? Obi abawala mo. However, we have to commence preparations
to do what is needed traditionally immediately. Ichie Ibezim,
yes,
please come. Ichie, let us get on with it immediately.
I am heartbroken.
Hi.
Oh, Kwandi Beba, who is home? Ma.
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I hope all is well.
There's no problem at all. I've only come to make a small inquiry.
About what tonight?
There's nothing to worry about. Do you have any ideas where Ibekwe is?
Nai, I don't know where he is. If I knew, I would have gone there to meet him. He didn't tell anybody where he was going to. And you are aware he just disappeared from Nkara. I have no idea.
This is serious. There's no problem. Let me go back to those who sent me.
Okay. I hope all is well. Nai.
There's nothing to worry about. We're just trying to make some crucial decisions. There's no problem.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
I disagree with all of you. We cannot continue to wait for him.
How can you be
What if this man is dead?
Alibe, how can you be saying this? What if Ibekwe still lives?
Alibi is right.
Oh.
He's right.
How?
We cannot continue to wait for him. Yes. For how long? We'll hand over the rulership to the one who is available.
To fear. Who? That small boy? Who? That small one. I don't think you have a scintilla of shame on your face. Yes! How do you introduce your king to people? How?
Would you keep quiet? Keep quiet! Why would you tell him to keep quiet? I said keep quiet! Let him make his opinion. Does it matter?
It does not matter.
Does it matter?
It does not
The
matter.
strength of a king is in his wisdom, not his stature. The strength of a king is in his subjects. We'll give it to him.
Yes.
As easy as that.
My people, please.
Yes?
My people, let us calm down. What is all this? What is it? We have a very serious matter on our hands. And we're here quarreling. Quarreling over what?
I wonder.
Eh? A man whose house is on fire does not chase after rats. Ibekwe, who should be the next king, suddenly disappeared into the air. Disappeared! Nobody knows where he is. Do you know where he is?
Does it mean he's
He may
dead?
be born or
Tell
dead.
us now!
And tradition, by the way, demands that the kingship cannot depart from that family. Therefore, we shall give it to Ezekwe, Ibekwe's son.
Yes.
Yes. I'm not part of it. Yes! I'm not part of it.
Anyone that will not be part of this will be regarded as a saboteur.
Good.
Oh yes. No matter the size of a king, he is a king.
Yes.
Listen, what matters is the glory that surrounds the king and his throne, not his size.
Okay.
Listen, we are going to crown Ezekwe. The way we treat our king will determine how our neighbors will see him and treat him too. Good.
Yes.
Have I spoken with my people?
Yes.
So let us go ahead.
Okay.
That's good.
So, what are we going to do now? Alibe, what we shall do is to agree with him. It's our choice. So we should allow his desires. Since he has decided not to rule from the former Igwe's throne, we should compromise.
Yeah. Let us not think that way. Yeah? It's not possible. No. He is the king to be. But we are the kingmakers.
Yes.
If we don't put the crown on his head, is he going to carry the crown and force it on himself?
Not possible.
It's not possible.
It's not. And that is why I'm asking us, what are we going to do?
Well, we all know that there is no way we can have two palaces in one compound. It is not possible. The kingship is in the family. Okay. And it's the same family. So all we have to do is convince him to rule from the same throne as the last Igwe. That's all.
Okay. He says Zekwe not going to be married before becoming the Igwe. Are we going to be ruled by a bachelor?
That is a small thing. It shouldn't bother us so much for now. We don't have time on our hands. The marriage and the coronation will take place at the same time. Yes. Why, Ma? How are you?
I'm fine. I went to your house and I was told you're here.
I hope all is well.
How can all be well, Ichie? How can all be well? When you and Nkara people are planning evil against my father's house.
I don't understand. You are speaking in deep meanings.
I heard that you've agreed to crown Ezekwe, the Igwe of Nkara.
So what is evil about that? Is he not the only available option in the absence of the rightful heir to the throne?
It is not true. A stranger cannot ascend the throne of our forefathers.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
What I'm trying to say is that Ezekwe cannot be crowned the Igwe of Nkara. It is an abomination.
How?
Because he is not from Nkara.
Hey, woman, please. Please, just mind what comes out from your mouth. Don't put me in trouble. If Ezekwe is not from Nkara, where is he from?
Umobum. He's the only son of my late sister, married to Mazi Grube in Umobum. As a matter of fact, my sister died while giving birth to him, after which the husband followed suit. And Ibekwe decided to adopt him.
This is strange. Are you sure of what you're saying?
I did not make it up either. Ichie, I am surprised that you've forgotten the story of Ezekwe. Please, whatever decision you want to take, please, consider the people of Nkara. Do not do anything that will put us in calamity. That is what I am asking you for.
It's okay. I've heard you, Wanyama. I've heard you. I will look into this properly, and of course I will discuss with the elders. But if what you are telling me is true, then we have a whole lot of trouble on our hands. Yes, we're in serious trouble.
How?
Because there'll be no one in your family to be crowned the Igwe of Nkara.
Ichie, what do you mean? Nobody in my family to be crowned the Igwe of Nkara? So who am I? Am I not of royal blood?
Why am I? Why am I? Please, this is not a matter we can conclude now. I have to go home. I've done with what I have here now. I have to go home, think about this, discuss with the others, and then I will invite you. I will call you so that I will tell you what we have decided.
Ichie, no. I will go home with you because I need answers. Don't worry. Just take your time. Take all the time you need. Even if it means me waiting till nightfall, I will wait because I need answers. I cannot watch the kingship of this kingdom leave the royal home. You said you're done here. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Ichie, let's go.
Hi, small me, Ezekwe, become the next Igwe of this kingdom. And then all those old men and women will then be bowing before me. Igwe! Hey! Hey! Even those guys will now be under my command. You, do this, do that, bring my food. And then any beautiful maiden I see, I will tell her, you will be my wife. This is too sweet. The next Igwe of this kingdom. Hey. And then later, I will be commanding all those chiefs in this kingdom. You, Chief Okeke, rise, bow before me, and then I will tap them with my holster. It shall be well with you. It shall be well with you. It shall be well with you. And they will be like, he say, hey, I'm so happy. I can even marry as many as that I want. I can even marry like 5 or 6. Hell, Odogu, Igwe. Igwe of this kingdom.
There is already a throne here. Building another throne will send the wrong signals. The people might think we have 2 thrones. And that is not good for us. So, Ezekwe, you will have to rule from your uncle's throne. But something else came up. Emma came to my compound yesterday to protest against our decision to crown Ezekwe.
Protest what?
She claims that Ezekwe is not even a freeborn of Ankara. I don't know how true this is.
That woman? Okay, what does she want?
She is insisting that she be crowned instead.
Oh. Hey. When has it been known, ever known, in the entire annals of history of the Nkara people that we ever had a woman king? Has it ever happened before? Eh? Hey! This is totally laughable and unbelievable. Okay, let us even say that Ezekwe here is not qualified to be king in Nkara. Even if he's not qualified to rule as Igwe in Nkara kingdom, is there no other way we will do this? Is there no other way we can achieve rulership for our land rather than give it to a mere woman?
My people, let's find out from Ezekwe about this allegation. Then we will think of what to do.
First of all, thank you all for your concerns over my affair. It is true that I am not from Nkara, but I have a root here because my mother is also from this royal family. And by the virtue of that relationship, I believe that I am qualified to be the Igwe in the absence of my uncle Ibekwe.
Sit down, Ezekwe. This is wisdom. But who lifts the head of the yam and begins to dig from the tail?
And I happen Nishiji. Go on there.
So we can only do what is right.
Yes, but I advise caution. I advise we use wisdom. I will suggest that we go back and think this matter through and thoroughly. First, before we make any further comment, any further decision on the matter.
Well spoken, my kinsman. In fact, I agree with you all the way. Therefore, all arrangements towards the coronation is put on hold for now until we decide what to do.
That is it. Indefinitely.
Good.
Why should you take your wickedness to that extent? If I won't be the Igwe, who will the person be?
Little boy, you're ruffling your feathers too hard. They will soon fall off. Are you a fool? I think I need to teach you some lessons.
You can't do anything to me. My mother is from here.
That is why you're not working on your force yet. A child that raises his father up will have his eyes blinded. You want to dance the dance of the elders?
Go away. You are only boasting, wicked woman. I must be the Igwe of Nkara, whether you like it or not.
Then wait till I am dead, little chick.
If you don't like it, you step out. Let us continue with our enjoyment. Don't come and spoil our enjoyment.
Badike, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Do this correctly. Do you wait him?
Yeah.
Igwe!
You may all be seated.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey! Hey!
My people, by virtue of our grand coronation, the festivities that followed, and the general acceptance of her kingship by our people of Ankara, it is pertinent that we, the elders in council, give her the support that she deserves and desires to be the greatest king Ankara has ever seen.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Igwe Wanyima, I want you to know that we, the entire council of elders, are totally behind you. We support you.
Oh no.
Igwe.
You have spoken well.
Thank you.
My elders.
Igwe.
I want to thank you all for your support. The celebration surrounding my grand coronation was beyond my imagination. I never saw it coming. Thank you. I want to assure you, though I am a woman, that I will be the greatest king this kingdom has ever produced.
Enough food in the land. Enough food in the land. Food. Enough food in the land.
Yes. So, you are saying we should not have crowned her? Is that what you're saying?
Yes. I am saying it is better we remain like that instead of having Wanyima as the king of this community.
Izuogo, there is something I don't understand. What exactly do you have against this woman?
I don't have anything against her. As a matter of fact, I like her so much. But I do not like the idea of a woman becoming the king of Ankara land. I don't. I don't, yes.
You see, Izuogo, it is not the woman that matters in rulership, but the power, the authority you place on whosoever sits upon that throne. Yes.
Mbadike, wait until our neighbors begin to call us a community with a woman king. Then you will know that we have got it wrong.
It is only when you go before those others to tell them that your king is a woman, that is when they will treat you so. Yes. Do you know that we can make our woman king so formidable that even our enemies will tremble at the mention of her name? Did you know that? Yes.
Yeah. Oh, Mbadike, it's like you do not understand that the smell of the shrew is in its body and that it's not ready to leave it, no matter how you wash it. Let me tell you, a woman king is a woman king. Eh? A woman Igwe is a woman Igwe.
Oh, I have heard you, Izuogo. I have heard you. But what I need you to remember is that no matter how an Igwe is, his subjects must bow to him. Yes, even if that Igwe is a woman, her subjects must bow before her, and that includes you. I'll say her.
Elders of Ankara greet you.
Greetings, Olori.
The Igwe said you should be patient. She will be with you shortly.
Okay. Yeah, we'll be patient, eh? We need to be patient. After all, this is the palace of our ancestors. So we are not in a hurry to go anywhere.
Malike, speak for yourself. Speak for yourself. I have other important things to attend to. You are telling me to stay here.
Izuogo.
Yes.
The Igwe said we should be patient. we all should be patient.
Yes.
The business of the palace is more important than any other thing in the Kara kingdom.
Ibezim, sit down. Ibezim, sit down.
Please, we are in the palace.
What's wrong with you?
We are in the palace, please. And Igwe is here.
Igwe.
You may be seated.
Igwe.
I welcome you all. This meeting is going to be very brief because I learned that some of you have important engagements to attend to.
Igwe. Especially me.
Izogo.
No problem.
It's okay. It's all right. I want to announce to you that there will be substitutions in our kingdom. Firstly, all taxes imposed on market traders is hereby lifted.
Igwe.
Secondly, the royal band will distribute yam seedlings to all the farmers who experienced poor harvest during the last farming season.
Igwe.
The last but not the least, all trade blockades between us and our neighboring kingdoms are hereby lifted.
Igwe.
This is to promote trade and bring prosperity to our land. That will be all for now.
Igwe.
Igwe. I told you.
Don't touch me again.
Izogo.
Don't touch me again.
You see?
What's wrong with you?
Have a good king.
Look at him. He's now smiling.
I'm smiling.
You are smiling.
You're smiling.
Look at you. After you had a very poor harvest last year.
Nah, he will get
you
yam
have
seedling.
poor.
Eh?
Our best
He
became
will get
not
yam
to give you
seedling.
any yam seedling. Your poverty will increase.
Why is he not
We cannot just live like this. Like I always say, we need to know what to do. You see, calm down. And like it is because the cat traveled. That was why the rat became a nuisance in the house. Turning the whole place to a playground.
Izogo. You should not allow such things bother you. I beg you.
Even if they will turn me to an enemy, I don't care. But I want to tell you something. I am not an enemy to anybody. Let me ask you.
Yes.
Why should she single me out for humiliation? Me, Zogo. Making me to bow down before her.
Zogo. She's the Igwe. You cannot pitch yourself against her. She has the authority. Please.
Bezim, listen to me. Can we look for Ibekwe to come and take over the throne?
That is too late.
How? How is it too late?
Zogo, we cannot bring Waima down. We have made her the king already. You wait until she finishes, or she's dead.
And then let us try and remove her and send her to the great beyond.
I will not be part of this.
Yes.
I will not be part of this. I'm leaving.
Ibezim. You see? Suddenly you have become stupid, directionless like a confused, drunken bat drooping all over the place. You see?
Izogo. Izogo. Mind your language. Mind your language. Why would you use such derogatory names on us? What's the matter with you? If you don't like the Igwe, go to the palace and push her away.
Okay. I have not said I'm going to overthrow any person. I have not even called any person's name. I was only trying to...
That we are blind, drunk, confused, directionless bats.
And I demand an apology for this. Yes, for both of us.
For what?
I take exception to this. Therefore, I demand an apology for both of us.
For what? For what?
For disrespecting us. For calling us derogatory names.
But I only said...
Izuogo, the apology now, or I will personally report you to the Igwe. Thank the gods. You can see I already have a witness.
Of course. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But I was only angry because of your myopic consideration of a woman to be our Igwe, the Igwe of Nkara.
Izogo, are you a stranger in Nkara? No, are you a stranger here? Don't you realize that royalty and rulership in Nkara is hereditary? Don't you?
Mm-hmm.
So, what are you talking about?
I know, but then, so if the person left in that royal family is a madman or an imbecile, we won't have any other option than to crown him or our Igwe.
But Wanyema is not an imbecile. Wanyema is not a mad woman. Yes,
I know.
Wanyema is a woman, but we must give her the chance to prove herself.
So bad wrong. So there is no problem at all. No problem. Subjects of woman Igwe.
Okay. I cannot sit down here and listen to his Izuogo insult my ears with his...
I am just surprised that
Izogo. Listen, if you don't take your time, I will stop you from coming to my house. And especially if you continue to use such, in fact, to be so disrespectful to my Igwe. She is my Igwe.
I'm sorry.
Everything you need is in this calabash. When you are faced with an enemy, once you use your palm and hit the enemy, he becomes as small as a rat. Then pick the rat and put it inside the calabash. Great Igbo. This is exactly what I want. I am going back to my kingdom to deal with my enemies, especially the one sitting on my throne. Remember, do not beat your wife. If you do, you will lose your power. Ezalusi, I have never beaten her before and will not hit her now. You may now leave.
Dalo.
Dalo.
Amugide nwa amụta ofu n'ụwa amụtatụrụ abụrụ meka ibekwa ọ na-azọra ndị ichie unamakwa na nke a bịara ụwa do amụtatụrụ abụrụ ibekwa ibekwa ọ na-azọra ọkwa amụgide nwa amụta nsogbu n'obodo ibekwa
Ma, can you come back? Ma, can you come?
If you want peace to reign, if you want peace to reign, Chai, take it easy, you know go. One member. The throne is yours. You are born to rule. Man, I want to play a while. I must be the king.
What do you say happened to Ezekiel?
He's no longer with us. He left after they refused to crown him the new Igwe.
Igwe? Were they planning to make him the Igwe before?
The elders already made the plans to install him the new king. But your father's sister, Nwanyima, protested and she was made the new ruler of Ankara Kingdom.
Ma.
Yes.
Where were you when she was made the ruler of this kingdom?
What were you expecting me to do? Huh? You were not around. So she was made the new ruler of the kingdom.
And Nwanyima was not afraid to ascend another man's throne as the ruler of this kingdom. First, she is a woman. Secondly, that throne does not belong to her.
Dimoma, Nwanyima is already the ruler of the kingdom, and there's nothing you or anybody can do about it.
It is a lie. Ma, you lie. That throne does not belong to her. I am the rightful owner of that throne, and nobody can take it away from me. In fact, I am going to that palace now to chase her out of that throne.
What? What? Don't even think about it. Please. Nwanyima is a powerful ruler you don't want to mess with. I just got you back. You want me to lose you again?
Ma, this is not the Ibekwe, your husband you used to know before I left. I am back. And this time around, I am fully prepared. I know that a day like this will come. I came back fully prepared. This man standing before you is loaded with full charm from a strong, powerful witch doctor in his distant land. I am ready to face them. Anyhow they want it. All of them that put their hands on my person, I am ready to face them. I'm going there now.
My husband! Please! Wait! This man has not changed.
Igwe, I've heard you. And I will do exactly what you instructed. Follow instructions to the letter.
Yeah. Nwanyima, what are you doing in this palace with my crown on your head? Listen to me. Before I close my eyes and open them, I want you to remove that crown and vacate out of this place. What is the problem?
Ibekwe, are you mad? Are you insane? How dare you speak to me in that manner?
How dare you intrude into the palace without obeisance to the king? What is the matter with you?
You, this man, if you don't shut up your mouth, I will start with you. Yes.
Olori?
Come and start with me.
My husband, I want you to be careful about your intended actions. Please. What do you want to do now?
Today, one person must die. Either me or that woman. I will kill her today.
And why do you want to kill her? Huh?
That woman messed me up. Imagine ordering her guards to throw me outside the palace. My own palace. My own inheritance. That woman sent her guards to throw me out of the palace. I will never forgive her.
So you want to go kill her?
Yes!
Ibekwe, you have to kill me. You want to kill her, right? You have to kill me first.
Yeah,
Kill me, oh! No, you have to kill me. Because I will not witness when they will hang you for killing Anigwe. I will not be a witness.
Okay, let me now kill my own self first. I will kill myself.
Me. What is it? Talk to your kinsmen. Let him see what can be done about this. You say you're here talking about killing.
Which nonsense kingsmen? There's some useless kingsmen that can't have the Igwe. I should go and talk to them for what?
Do you know you are to be blamed for everything that is going on? You are to be blamed. I told you to be patient, but no, you refuse to be patient. Instead, you ran away to an unknown place.
Keep quiet, even if I run away. Why can't they wait for me? Why can't they wait for me?
Why would they wait for you? No, why would they wait for you? You ran away like a coward.
Nothing will stop me from killing that woman today. You see, mother, you had that truth. I must kill that woman. I must kill her.
Go and kill her. Suit yourself. Suit yourself, Ibekwe.
My own inheritance. Yeah, in my own father's palace. You see, my kingsmen, I called you all here to lay out before you all my own predicament. My kingsmen, I want to know why all of you here supported the idea of making ordinary Wanyema, my own sister, the ruler of this very kingdom.
Ibekwe.
Prince Ibekwe.
Ibekwe. Welcome. We should be asking you why you abandoned your throne and ran away. You ran away.
My legs took me away.
Look at him.
Bia Ibekwe. This is a serious matter. Please do not joke with it at all. We are here when you ran you ran away, abandoning even your beautiful wife, not telling her where you were going. And when we searched for you across the length and breadth of this kingdom and could not find you, we had no option. We desperately needed the king, so we went ahead to.
So you gave what belongs to me to a woman. Ordinary one,
you see now. You see, I told you people before you made this blunder. You wouldn't listen. You were in so much hurry to make an Igwe. You see? You see it now.
Uzogu, keep quiet.
My kinsmen, you see, this is a very serious matter, and we have to look at it seriously. Now the question should be, how do we carry a man with a broken waist? How do we handle this matter as it stands now?
Ichiokeke, what you are going to do now is to go to that palace, chase her out of that place. I am the rightful owner of that throne. Very simple. That is what you are going to do.
Ibekwe. You know it is not possible. We made her Igwe in the presence of the people and the gods of Ankara. And she must complete her tenure. In fact, only death can remove her from that throne.
It's a lamb.
Chukwaju. That one will never happen.
Yes. I am supporting Ibekwe. We made her the king. And we cannot make her. Yes.
Zukwanike. Wherever you. You know that this is not possible. What is done is done.
Then the owner of the throne will just go like that. No. He will just leave the throne and go with them.
Keep quiet.
Ichie Izuoku, don't worry yourself. I am the rightful owner of that throne. I know how to get it back. I don't care. All of you should leave my hut. This meeting is over.
Ibekwe, it has not yet got to that. Allow us to go back to our huts. Let's sleep over this matter and think it out through and thoroughly. By the next time we sit, we will now have a way forward.
Listen. I said this meeting is over. In fact, The food and the drinks my beautiful wife is preparing for this very meeting is hereby cancelled. I swear by the gods, if you don't leave my hut this minute, get out of my hut now!
Where are you going? What is happening? What of the meeting?
We are going.
The food and drink.
I'm going for the food, food I ate, Bookie.
It is all right. You know them. You know them, all them.
Che, I don't know where he went to. He left home this morning without telling me where he was going.
I see. Okay. I'll have to come back to see him.
I hope all is well.
There's no problem. Did you say he didn't tell you where he was going?
She didn't tell me. But to be honest, Iche, my husband has changed completely since his return. He's behaving strangely.
Ma, you should not blame him. He is very angry. Don't blame him so much.
But there's nothing we can do about it.
Unless you don't want to do anything. Yes.
Nai, you know you're a very close friend of my husband.
Yes.
Please, can you talk to him? I don't want him to do something we'll all regret. Please.
I will.
Thank you.
I will. Just tell him I came to see him. Everything will be all right.
Thank you, Chi.
It's all right.
He want the crowd by all means. We are your poor. If you want peace to reign, we are your poor. If you want peace to reign,
Why,
Ibekwe, my brother. Why are you here? Have you come to join hands with me? So we move the kingdom forward.
Move which kingdom? Listen to me. I am here to warn you for the very last time. Vacate the throne so that I can occupy. Why, vacate this throne for me so that I can occupy.
Ibekwe, what is wrong with you? I did not choose myself. Our people chose me. Is it too difficult for you to understand?
Now listen to me. If you know that you value your life, I am giving you from now to the next Eke market day for you to forget the throne. Let me occupy. I am not happy. The next time I will visit here, it will not be this friendly.
Look, Ibekwe, any way or anyhow you want to go about it, just know it that I'm standing behind you in support.
Ichie, thank you for always supporting me.
God.
I will spend my life to get that throne back.
Whatever you want to do, do it. Fight on. You are fighting a just cause. If there is anything you would want me to do for you, don't hesitate to ask me. Do you understand me?
Yes. Thank you. When I'm done with what I am doing, you will hear from me.
Come, you need to be very careful of that, your sister. She is very tough too. Very, very tough.
Tough?
Yes, tough.
I am tougher. Yes.
Okay then. It's all right.
You. So, in addition to this, your intimidating size, you still possess spiritual powers. I felt it. But listen to me. If you think you have dealt with Ibekwe, you lie. You see this fight that you have started, you will not see the end. I promise you.
I was employed to protect Her Royal Majesty. And that I would do with everything in me.
Hey, take it easy, my love. Please. It's painful.
I know.
Take it easy.
This will help with the pain.
Aye!
Sorry. It's okay. Sorry. Besides, you haven't told me how this came about.
Hey, Ma. Were you deaf when I told you that useless woman, that useless criminal sent her guard to kill me?
Why would she do that?
Because she knows that I am a threat to the throne. So she is doing everything possible to wipe me out of the way. It will not work.
I'm going to see her.
No.
She can't kill her own blood. My husband. She wants to make me a widow. I'm going to see her.
Ma, sit down. You can't do that.
Why? Why not?
Allow me deal with her my way.
My husband, don't confront her. Don't. Wanyima is now the Igwe of this kingdom. And she has authority over you.
Never.
Over all of us.
Never. I disagree with you. That woman can never be my king. In fact, that throne is my inheritance. I am the rightful owner of that throne, and I will never give up. I will fight until I get back that throne. By all means. I don't care.
Why are you so stubborn?
A man must be stubborn and fight for what belongs to him. That is what I'm doing.
A man must be stubborn.
Yes. Yeah. Why? Hey, wait, my love. Hey. Hi.
So it is you, Ibekwe. Now listen. I am not ready to banter words with you. Neither am I ready for any of your troubles.
Your Majesty, my King, I have realized myself and I've come to pay allegiance to your rulership.
Did I hear you right?
Yes, my King. I have come to make peace with you so that we can move the kingdom forward.
Sit down.
Thank you, my King.
Ibekwe.
My King.
Now tell me the truth. Is this really from your heart?
It's from the depth of my heart, my King. Iwe, look. You are my late father's sister. There is no need of me fighting you. I have come to make peace with you so that we can work together and move our kingdom forward. You sitting on this throne is as good as me seated there. Please, my king, forgive me.
Are you sure?
My king, in order to convince you, I want you to perform the Onali ritual on me to confirm my total submission to your rulership.
May the gods of...
Stupid woman, you will remain here.
Wait, this is a shame. It's a shame! Eh? How can we tell our neighbors that the Igwe of Nkara, Igwe, is missing?
Hey!
Yeah? It is a shame!
Hey! From under our noses. Eh? Maybe the gods have taken her away.
Taking her away to where? No. Taking her away to where?
Will you question the gods?
But how are we here? All of us. And our Igwe is missing. Are we not men?
Yeah? My kinsman. If I'm to say, I would tell you should go and start giving thanks to the gods for removing that woman from the throne of Nkra.
My own son.
Yes. What is your problem? Why are you looking at me?
What, are you okay, Izuogo? Are you okay? What is wrong with you? Is it the ruler of Nkara people that you are referring to as a woman?
Is she not a woman? Don't tell me. Is she not a woman? I am not mad. Yes, I'm not mad. It is you who lost your sense of decency when you decided to make a woman the king of Nkara kingdom. Yes. Thank the gods, Ibekwe is here to take over from her.
Izog, are you sure you do not have a hand in this?
Why should I? Why should I? If I remove her from the throne, will I mount the throne? No.
Hey!
Why are you people keeping quiet? Eh? Each year we should be mourning, we should be crying. Why are you people keeping quiet? All of you to start crying now, else I will take it like you conspired to sell my sister. In fact, stop. This cry will not amount to anything. Let us go in search of my sister. Let's go.
My kinsmen, if we are going to look for her, be very, very careful before what took her away will also takes you.
Shut your mouth. You trying to reach a
Do you realize that it's this the king, the ruler of Nkara people that you're belittling like this?
Who cares?
Who
cares?
Listen, Izogo is right. We should be careful while searching for her, lest we get involved. Okay, Kenamko. Omalicham. Ochalugum.
Dimoma.
Why your man lutalo women? Hey! Obia.
Ogini.
From the aroma of the food, you will know how sweet the food will taste. Isi kwa gisi isi.
You started.
Achalugo wanyoma. Akanesi nne.
Igwe! Igwe!
Ije Izogo. Ije Izogo. Ihade.
His Royal Highness Igwe Ibekwe. Mmonwu ndị iro nke izizi.
Ọmụ.
Na Nkaraland.
You're welcome. Nine.
Lolai.
Nine.
Achalugo wine. Lolai.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, Lolly.
Hey.
Thank you, my love. There is no protocol. Please sit. Wash your hand and join me.
Igwe, thank you very much. Unfortunately, I just came down from the mountain of pounded yam. My wife pounded for me. So there is no space in my stomach to join you. I only came to congratulate you on your new level.
Thank you so much. And I sincerely appreciate. I also heard that they are searching for her.
They are searching for her?
Yes.
Let them continue to search for her. Let them continue to search for her. But while they do that, do well, please, to go and ascend the throne immediately.
Ichizog, don't worry yourself. Everything is already prepared.
Bam! That is what I want to hear. But, Igwe, I wish there was space in this my stomach. I would have joined you to devour this food. But my wife...
Ichizog, even if there is no space in your stomach for this food, there should be a space for drinking. Ma! Omanijam! Please bring me that fresh pan wine. My best friend is here. The only man that says the truth in this kingdom is here. Ichizog.
Igwe.
Everything is under control. By the time, in fact, immediately I ascend that room, you will be the next to know of this kingdom.
I thought they said you will not become the Igwe.
Where are they today?
Where are they today?
I thought you were tough. Who is now tougher? You will remain in this condition until I achieved all my desires in Nkara Kingdom. By the time I become the Igwe, you will go back inside the calabash and I will put you inside my chamber. I will teach you and Nkara people how to be just in matters that concern Igwe Ibekwe, His Royal Majesty.
My people, we cannot continue to wait for a leader. We have tried our best, we've searched. Now that Ibekwe is here, I suggest that we make him the Igwe of Nkara.
Biamazi, you are still suggesting. Oh, you are still suggesting. This is long overdue. By now, Ibekwe should have been sitting on this throne as the king of this kingdom. I suggest.
Zogo.
Yes.
Oh no. My kingsmen, I am just watching you people. I'm just watching.
Mana Izuogu, ị ga-ewerekwana ya nwayọ. Ị ga-ewere ya nwayọ. Because I do not like the way you are handling the affairs
of this kingdom. The way you are attacking everything that has to do with the Igwe of Nkara.
So, how am I handling? How have I handled it? So, how have I handled it? No, tell me, how have I handled it? If not to correct your short-sightedness in choosing the king of this kingdom, how have I handled it? No, tell me.
Izogo.
How have I handled it?
Izogo.
Yes.
I will not have you heap insults on us. And I demand an unreserved apology from you right now. Otherwise, you leave this meeting for us.
Yes. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
Izogo. No more questions. Tender the apologies or you leave.
I won't.
Izogo.
I will do no such thing.
There you will leave
Leave.
us.
Izogo. Leave this meeting now or I will order young men to throw you out of this place.
Is that it? There is no problem. I will leave.
Yes.
I will leave.
Leave for
Go.
us.
I will leave.
Leave for us.
What is this? No, elders of our land. What Ichie Izuoko actually said was not bad.
Yes, I agree with you. It was not bad. But the way he said it was strong.
My people, please. We have more serious matters on our hands than Izog. Don't. Now, shall we go ahead and make Ibekwe the Igwe of Nkara?
Yes.
Igwe, please, permit me to remain in the palace. I know I will be of service to you. Pending when Nwanyima will return. Please, Igwe.
Your services are no longer needed here. You have to leave my palace. I am going to work with the guards that worked with my uncle, Mbadike. So I don't need you here. Leave.
My king, kindly consider her. She will be of great service to this royal household.
Ma, they say he who was bitten by a snake fears even an earthworm. Submit your sword and leave my palace this minute.
That aside, my king, now that you are the king of Nkara and I am your queen, my place should be by your side. So I'm thinking we should build a chair just by your side.
No. I will build a chair for you at the back of the palace and recruit many maidens that will serve you there. You shouldn't be sitting anywhere around this place. This very chamber is for me and my king's men.
So this is it.
You can leave.
My king.
The throne is yours. You are born to rule. Man, I want to play and want you
Igwe. Look, you don't know how happy I am to have you seated on this throne. Igwe, I can now tell whoever cares to hear that I now have an Igwe who is full of energy, wisdom and understanding. Igwe.
Ichie Izuoko.
Igwe.
Ichie Izuoko.
Igwe.
Ichie Izuoko.
No.
I called you here to tell you that I have sacked Okeke as the Nowo of this kingdom. And you are now the new Onowu of Nkara land.
Igwe, the last time you said this, I thought it was like the promise made to a woman at the point of ecstasy. I didn't know you were very serious.
Ichizogo.
Igwe.
For you to know how serious I am, remove that cap from your head. Step forward. By the powers bestowed on me as His Royal Majesty, Igwe Ibekwe, I hereby crown you the new Onowu of Nkara land.
Hey, Igwe.
It shall be well with you. It shall be well with you. It shall be well with you.
Igwe. Hey. But Igwe, wouldn't these people say I influenced the position?
Who will say that? Forget about whatever any person is going to say. What matters now is what myself, His Royal Majesty, is saying. Go around and parade yourself as the Onowu of this kingdom. Attend all the functions of the Onowu. I am the one in charge. Igwe. Nothing will happen.
Igwe.
It shall be well with you.
I have heard you. I've heard you. I've heard you.
May go now.
May your reign be long, Igwe.
Hello.
When a child begins to tie clothes before his time, you know what happens? He is lifted by the great wind and dumped on the dunghill.
That is true.
Ibekwe has beaten more than he can chew. Ibekwe. Hey. Ibekwe has beaten the very fingers that fed him. Hey. I know you are afraid.
Wait. Is he mad?
John.
Huh? Has he forgotten that you're a kingmaker? I can't believe this.
When a man does not expect to receive an Ozo title, he places his own mark upon his knee. No doubt, Ibekwe is short-sighted. But the question is, are we going to allow him to continue to insult us like this?
No.
Eh? No, what are you saying?
Ask him, Kamjo.
What are you talking about? That can we let this pass? Just like that?
Okay.
Hey! Who is Izogo to take my place in Nkara? Izogo, who is he?
It's an error.
Listen, I shall drum for them and they will dance. Hey.
Your Highness, I granted your request and you became the king of Nkara land. I expected you to come with tons of gifts. Rather, you are here with a strange calabash. Is there any problem I can solve?
Strong medicine man.
Your Highness.
It is true that I'm supposed to return here bearing gift. But I came for you to help me solve a puzzle.
What is it, Your Highness?
Strong medicine man. How best can someone keep what is a secret to remain secret forever without anyone knowing about it at all?
Your Highness, I don't understand.
Stupid man. Stupid man. You will remain in this calabash as long as I remain the king of Nkaraland. If I allow you live, people from my kingdom may locate you and destroy me. You will remain here and nobody will ever know where my powers came from. Stupid man. Nonsense. Foolish, useless witch doctor. If you survive this, you will learn not to challenge someone who is more bigger and stronger than you. If you live, nobody will ever find you here. I know.
Lola.
The king will join you shortly. He's arranging himself.
Good, thank you.
Tell him it is important and urgent.
I will. Please, be patient.
Why are your faces like this? I hope all is well. Why are you here? Why are you here?
Why don't you just wait until the Igwe comes out and we speak with him, and then you will hear why we're here?
Yes. I am Ono, the second in command in this kingdom. You can talk to me.
Well, we are not here to see the second in command. We are here to see the Igwe. So why don't you keep your mouth soon?
Mazokeke, why are you fighting? Why?
Izogo. Nobody is fighting. If we had wanted to see you, we would have come to your house. We are here to see the Igwe. Please. Yes.
Suit yourselves.
Keep quiet, you supper.
Was that for me? Okay. Was that for me?
Who are you? No, who are you?
Look, okay.
Okay, what is your problem and why are you here?
Igwe, I don't have problems, but I cannot say the same for the entire kingdom.
So what is it?
Igwe, we have come to see you over two important issues. First is the disappearance of Igwe Wanyema. She has been missing for a very long time. She's like the big elephant in the bush. And the big elephant can not just disappear just like that without leaving traces on the ground.
Are you indirectly accusing me of killing Wanyema?
Igwe, that is not what he's saying.
But you're okay. The Igwe asked a question and the question was not directed to you. Eh?
That matter is over. I have already sent out men to go in search of her. The next one.
The second matter is the relationship between you and your subject. They may not summon courage to come to you and talk to you, but we, the cabinet members, hear from them complaining about the distance between you and them is like the distance between heaven and earth.
I don't understand.
Igwe, what we're saying is this, that there should be a more cordial, mutual, and respected relationship between you and your subjects. It should be reciprocal. But the reverse seems to be the case. Igwe, the traders complain about excessive taxation, which is too heavy for them to bear. And this has sent most of them out from the market. Secondly, Igwe, agents from the throne are said to be harvesting the crops of farmers. Farmers are complaining that these people come to them, harvest their crops without compensation. Again, the issue of land grabbing, Igwe. The throne is grabbing the lands of the people without their permission, without compensation, without any form of Igwe, this is wrong. That is what we're saying. It is wrong, and it has to stop, Igwe.
Yes.
Yeah? So that the kingdom might prosper.
Yes.
Then, people are also complaining that when matters are brought before the throne, that you usually take sides and refuse to give justice to whom justice is due.
Keep your mouth shut. Okay. Keep quiet. I am ruling my people well, and they are happy with me. It is wicked people like you that go around inciting them against me. As for the advice, I have a strong, capable advisor, which is Izuogu Mahonogu, my second in command. I don't need any of your advice. Now, get out of my palace. This meeting is over. Get out of my palace now!
Igwe, your action now has just gladdened my heart. You have made my day. Eh? These are the people going about giving very bad impression about you. Eh? Making it look as if you are not doing anything. Igwe.
What an insult! Eh? How could the Igwe speak to us in such manner? How could he talk to us like that?
I say leave him. I say leave him alone. Hey. We are going to teach him that the strength and power of a king lies with and emanates from his subjects.
Yes.
Gregrebu, where is it?
In fact, we should start shunning his meetings from now on. We should shun all his meetings until he realizes how important we are. He needs to know that he cannot survive without us.
Sure.
Igwe, how could you have given in like that? Eh? It has weakened your position. Or do you just want to make them cheap heroes?
Oh no. As long as they remain cheap, we are still at an advantage over them.
Igwe, you must be firm with him and keep to your results. No shifting. Not at all.
Oh no.
Igwe.
Are you sure he is still going to come?
Why not? He has no choice. You are the Igwe of Nkara land. All of us are your subjects, including Mazi Okeke. And none of us has the right to question your actions.
You are right to know, and that is why I made you my second in command.
Igwe.
Yade, it shall be well with you. It shall be well with you.
Igwe.
It shall be well with you.
Igwe, I shall forever be loyal to your crown. His Royal Majesty, the Momundilo one of Nkara land.
You are welcome. my adjutant.
Igwe.
Dalo.
Onye no ya o. Mazi Okeke, are you at home?
Hey, Udubeze. I hope all is well with this your visit.
It's well. You have nothing to be afraid. I only came here to deliver a message for your husband.
Let me go and call him. Nai.
Odibeze.
Mazi Okeke.
So, my wife said you want to see me.
I came here to deliver a message to you. The Igwe wants to see you.
Igwe?
Yes.
Wants to see me?
Yes.
What for?
I don't know, Mazi Okeke.
Go and tell him I will come to see him.
Okay, Mazi Okeke.
Nai. This one, the king, Igwe is looking for you. What for? I hope there's no problem.
Odibigwe did not tell me why Igwe wants to see me. But I will go. I will go to see him.
Nai, you have to be very careful. Please, I suggest you talk with one or two of your kinsmen about it, so that they can be aware of this.
Yes, I will see Ibezim and Mbadike before I go. But I will go. I'll go to see him.
Hey.
Don't worry, just go back to your work, huh? Go back to the work. I will.
I am worried. I'm worried about
Don't
this.
worry, don't worry, don't worry. Ụzọ adịghị mma ọ dike n'ibe.
If you ask me, I will advise you do not answer to this call.
I thought so before, but I changed my mind. You see, the boys in Okada and Nafa Jonjo. There is no way you can declare a word bad until it is heard. Who knows, maybe he has changed his mind or whatever. So let me go and find out why he's calling me.
Well, you are a wise man. And you know what it is we are fighting for.
Why not?
I will only suggest you be careful.
Now I will go. I will go to see him. I will let him play. Let him play while I sit back and watch. I'm not a child, but as far as I'm concerned, he's still a child. I will watch him play.
It is well.
It's okay.
It is well. I will expect your return. Do send someone to me once you're done.
I will do that. I will do that.
One.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Why are you planning evil against me? Why? You are just being selfish and greedy. Because I exercise my authority as the Igwe of this kingdom and reshuffle my cabinet on a wigi. Now listen to me, you this useless man. If you are not careful with me, okay, I am going to crush you to an extent that none of your bones will be discovered. Nonsense!
Have you finished?
Do you have anything to say?
What do I have to say? Are you not the king?
Yes. You are the king who has the powers, the right to deal with your subjects anyhow you like. And who has the powers, who has the right to challenge you or to ask you questions? Nobody.
Are you walking out on the throne?
I am going back to my house.
Okay, come back here. Okay. You are walking out on the paramount ruler of this kingdom. His Imperial Majesty. How dare you? Maudi Lonkizisi. King Kibekwe. Nankara land. Lekwaki lekwangu. Okay, lekwaki lekwangu. I am going to kill you. Nonsense. Useless man.
Igwe. As I was coming here, I saw Mazi Okeke walking out of the palace. His face was as frightening as the Abuja masquerade.
I dealt with that fool.
Yeah, you dealt with him?
Yes.
Good. Yes, at least they will now know that you are in serious business. In fact, that's not all. You have to change your strategies. In fact, anyone that offends this throne will be picked up immediately and incarcerated. Igwe, there should be no gathering anywhere in Nkara land. And if any people or any group of people hold that gathering without your approval, it must be termed illegal. Illegal.
You are right. Oh no, you are right. Any gathering in this kingdom, no matter how little it is, without my approval, is illegal. Go now and inform the town crier to spread the news across this kingdom. Immediately.
Consider it done. Good. In fact, it's already done.
Okeke is daring me. I am going to crush Okeke. Nonsense.
This way. You're always eating. Come on, Ton.
My husband.
And
Did you hear the tank riots message this morning?
I did.
So what are you doing about it?
There is no way I intend to lose sleep over that. I will not lose sleep. He is just one man. And the people say that when a man cooks for the entire community, the community finishes the food and licks the plates. But when the same community cooks for one man, he can't even scratch the food. He is just one man and we're a community of people in Nkara. So don't worry about that.
Well, I only wanted to find out if you heard the tank riot's voice.
I heard it. But don't worry about that. Just go and prepare my food. Go and prepare my food. Let the rest gather. We shall watch it fall.
My king, but that is not what we agreed.
I am now His Royal Majesty, the king of this kingdom.
And I am the wife of the king. I'm the queen of Nkara kingdom. A tree cannot make a forest.
Woman.
There is no way you can stand alone.
Woman, do not give me trouble.
Ibe, you're my husband, and I'm concerned about your well-being. There's no way you can rule alone. You need these people to rule well. That is not the issue.
That's enough. I won't have you try to steer me here. I know what I'm doing and I don't need your advice now.
The stubborn grasshopper rests in the belly of Okpoko, the bird.
If the grasshopper likes, let it rest in the belly of Apia the bird. I don't care. You may leave now.
When the animal makes a dangerous dash, a dangerous gunshot is aimed at it. They said there should be no meeting in the Nkara kingdom. And that any gathering is illegal without the permission of the Igwe. No problem. We shall not gather, but we shall continue to hold our meeting.
Yes. After all, wisdom is a bag. As uche wakpa, onye obula mere gini, nyanke ya.
Good.
Therefore, I will say that from today, let no man or woman in Nkara, okorobia, agbobia, no keneme, let no one answer to the call of Igwe again. Let us see how he will come out and answer Igwe of Nkara.
Bam! Yes. That is a wise suggestion from Ichemba Dike. Every household should warn their people.
Yes. Let him lead his wife and the entire household of Uzogo, the sycophant, the traitor.
Yes.
We shall meet again in the next 4 market days, just like this. For now, there should be no confrontation with him.
Okay.
No confrontation. But we shall isolate him.
Yes. Yes. But as a major, let me ask. Is it that we have forgotten the issue of the disappearance of Igwe Wanyima? Just like that?
No. How can we forget her just like that? Let's continue to search for her until we find her either dead or alive.
Good.
Let us dismiss for now.
Okay.
Let's end this meeting before people fathom that something is going wrong.
Let us see.
That is it, Igwe. We must not let them beat us. We must not give them the opportunity to take you unaware.
So what do we do now?
Igwe, we must beef up our securities to protect this palace from any insurgents from our enemies. Igwe, we need to recruit more able-bodied men as your secret guards.
Izogo.
Igwe.
Oh no, Izogo.
Igwe.
My second in command. I never knew you were this intelligent and full of wisdom.
Igwe, if you follow my instructions, you will never play into the hands of the enemies.
You are right. And in that case, Onowu, you have to, in fact, we have to recruit more able-bodied men and add to our workforce. And I give you 2 days to do that.
Consider it done, Igwe.
Good.
One more thing. I believe that I also need security guards in my house. Because nobody knows what these our enemies are always thinking. They might want to eliminate me so that they can get at you. They will make you vulnerable.
Oh no,
Igwe.
I understand your point, and you can attach some to yourself.
Thank you, Igwe.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Igwe. There's another thing. One little thing. Igwe, I suggest we apply the strategy of intimidation. Yes, intimidation against our enemies. They should be arrested and taken away in order to destabilize them.
Oh no, that one is true. But we have to recruit the able-bodied men first. Then we can use them and do the intimidation.
Thank you, Igwe. As I suggested, these secret guides will be employed to work incognito and unknown to the Nkara people, as this will make them more effective.
Oh no,
Igwe.
I agree with you. Remember, 2 days to carry out this particular assignment.
Hey, it is done already.
Good.
It is already done.
You can leave.
Igwe.
Mazokeke, are we going to leave the cases of Waima and Igbo just like that?
Besim, are you the one saying this? How can we leave any of those cases? We can't. Listen, we'll continue until we get what we want.
Good.
Mazokeke. Ibesim.
Yes.
Are both of you not aware of the decree of the king? That there should be no gathering anywhere in Karaland without his approval. Are you not aware? Or do you want to defy the king's order?
Izogo or Izumba? I am in my compound. Oh, does this place look to you like a village square?
I wonder.
Now, if your king decrees that there should be no gathering, did he also decree that kinsmen should not exchange visits? No, I'm asking you.
Okay. I thought you should be wiser than this. Yes. You should have known that gathering is gathering. Whether it is 2 people or 3 or even 10, gathering is gathering. And that you should not gather anywhere in the land without the approval of the king, our Royal Majesty.
Keep quiet. Charlatan. Psychophant. Look, you will surely reap what you're sowing in the land of Ankara Kingdom. If you're not careful, I will teach you what the fire does to the ears of the rabbit. Yes.
Ibezim.
Yes.
Ibezim.
Yes.
Ibezim.
Yes.
Do you realize you are talking to Sogeze One, the Onowu of Garan?
What did you just call yourself? A butterfly thinks itself a bird. Look at you. You support for authority. Now listen, if you don't get out of my compound now, I will show you how black ghosts like you are treated. Wait for me. Wait for me.
I know what to do.
No.
I know what to do.
Wait.
Don't worry. I know what to do.
Coward. Frustrated.
Where is he? No, come back here. I'm over here. Come back, let me shoot holes into that your coconut head. Now, useless coconut head. Odibeze. More Odibeze. Nonsense. Don't worry. I am waiting for you and your useless is here. Your useless Igbe, I am waiting for you.
It's okay. Chai.
What is Ankara turning into? What is our land turning into? Alibe, when have our men, the men of Ankara, when have we become like mere cocoyam leaves? When? Hey!
A man dies only once. This is the limit. We will not allow them to treat us like women.
Hey.
Never. We must do something now. First it was Awigwe. Now Mazokeke. Where are we running to?
Okara! Bring back my husband. Bring him back.
Hey. Iwatami Gunishi. Alibe. Ndị be anyị si ya arụ na-agba gị mgba n'ụzọ azụ ụlọ, o nwekwa mmechi. If there is no wrestle on the road to the back house, it shall not close. Alibe, it is time for us to rise. It is time for us to rouse our people, the men of Ankara, to fight like real men, not like mere sissies. This is the time to change the story. Yes.
He's the only one I have. Please tell his Lord to bring him back.
He must be brought back.
Our wife, the cats, your husband shall return. Because I shall fight. I will fight like a man. I will fight like a lion. Alibe, are you ready to fight? Of course. Yes, we must fight. And listen, we will not allow them to bring the fight to us. We are real men. We will take the fight to them. Alibe, we will take the fight to them. Hey! Bah! I will fight! I will fight like a man! Enough is enough! Enough is enough.
We will be back.
What happens to Ichio Keke?
What kind of query is that?
You heard me. Why have you allowed yourself to be pushed into these wicked acts against your own people? Have you ever heard of a king without subjects? Because that is where you're headed. The ear that refuses to listen to the sound counsels follows the chopped head to the grave.
Hey, woman. I have endured you enough. I am the king of this kingdom and you are only my wife.
Yes, I am not disputing that fact.
And you have no right to question my actions.
As your subject, yes. But as your wife, I have every right. I'm only looking out for you. I'm trying to know whether you would wake up from this dream.
And I do not need your wakefulness. Allow me to dream. After all, I once lost my sleep in this kingdom.
Oh, really?
Yes.
It's only a foolish man that sees fire and pokes his fingers into it.
You called me a foolish man. You called me a foolish man. You are stupid. Standing on my ferry before, in front of my throne, called me a foolish man. You are stupid. Nonsense.
Ibekwe. You raised your hands on me? You raised your hands on me!
This rabbit so hard. Huh? How could it have escaped? Okay. This is the blood. Yes. That is the hole. That is the hole. I said it. You can run as fast as your leg can carry you. Now you are at my presence now. Inside this calabash. This looks like a pot of riches. It could be cowries. Or has my chi decided to bless me with a calabash of riches instead of rabbits?
Mapade Boawo, Ubola Casibulus on the Feniji Mamatu when he was a Kariaka. The monkey and the gorilla may claim oneness, but the monkey is monkey and gorilla gorilla.
Did you understand?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Now go and deliver the message.
Evil has taken place.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Oh, no. What is it? And why are you panting like a man that has seen a ghost?
Your Majesty, it is Ipo. Ipo the medicine man. The one you told me gave you powers from a distant land.
Oh, no.
Your Majesty.
Are you sure that you saw Ibo? And could he be coming to this palace?
Yes, I saw it with my eyes. Your Majesty, I don't know if he's coming to this palace, but I think so.
You saw him with your 2 eyes?
I saw him with my 2 eyes, and he is exactly how you described him to me.
Oh, no.
Your Majesty.
You saw him walking with his 2 legs.
You are talking as I saw him walking with his 2 legs, not his head, not his hands.
I see.
Oh,
no.
Your Majesty.
I want to be left alone.
I hope there's no problem.
I said I want to be left alone so that I can think. Leave.
It's all right. Yes, Your Majesty.
Hey, get out of here. So, Ibo escaped out of that calabash. This one is still here. I thought they said you are tough. Who is now tougher? You will remain here. Guards!
Guards! An old woman who remembers her dead child at the sight of me. Let what happened to her child happen to her. I am Ipo, the great Dibia. I know when to send the gods, and they go and come back. I know where to touch the gods. They dance in anger. Ibekwe, you have touched Igbo. I chew and spat on your chest. But for you, you chew and spat in my eyes. The head that tells behave will always receive the pain of the stings. Ibekwe, you beat me on the head without minding the hair. I, Igbo, will bite you in the anus without minding the excrement.
Are you okay? What's happened? Please, calm down.
Beautiful lady, I want to marry you.
Calm down.
Listen, I want to make you my wife.
Calm down.
Have you agreed?
Calm down.
This is my brother. He is going to accompany me to go and marry you.
My king.
Say yes to me. Can't you just say, I want to marry you?
My king.
My brother, look at the woman I want to marry here. I just accompany me. Let me go. I want to go and marry her.
My forefathers have got it. Please.
I want to marry you. I want to marry you. They are taking me to go and marry my wife.
Sir, please.
We are going to go and marry. Where is my wife?
Majesty, this one you're placing up and not like this. I hope all is well. Where are your guards?
The worst has happened.
What happened?
My husband, the king, has gone mad.
Hi! May the gods of our land forbid.
My husband is mad.
Ha! Where is he?
Come with me.
Obim! Obi dear! Where is this woman? Obi dear.
Hey! Awa! No, you're alive. No, very good. Hey! Look, we family looking. Hey! Gods of our land! I thank you! Nkara! My husband is back. You're back. Hey,
She naked. Benz. Obi dear, you have been crying.
Nai, why wouldn't I cry?
Don't worry.
Why wouldn't I cry? Hey!
I am here.
Hey, then the guys. Nai, come. I will prepare your meal. Delicious meal for you. After that, you take your bath and rest.
I will also need some hot water massage.
Nai, I will do that. Hey! Nai, sorry. Biko. Hey!
Hi! The gods of Nkaralande! Who did this to us? Who did this to our Igwe? Your Majesty, what is this? What is this?
Are you mad? Huh? I'm asking you, are you mad? Why can't you hit your head on the ground and greet your king? Hit your head on the ground. Hit it on the ground.
Your Majesty, may your days be long.
Good. And may yours be very, very short.
Will you stop this joke? What days are you talking about?
Ask him.
My husband is raving mad, and you are talking about days being long.
Yes.
Lord,
tell her.
Please, calm down. Calm down, please.
Calm down.
Please, calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. You are responsible, Ichie. You are responsible for what is happening to my husband.
Tell him.
What have I done? How did I contribute to this problem? Okay,
you are good.
This is not the time for this blame game. Please, let's find a solution to this problem.
See, listen to me. I am having meeting with the immortal. What are you mortals doing here? What are you people doing here?
I'm blaming you because your bad advice led to this.
Yes, tell him.
No. Your Majesty, let's stop this blame game. Let's find a solution to this problem.
Yes. Hey, listen. The meeting of mortals is finished. You immortals can now live here.
I cannot leave, please.
Immortals, leave.
Please.
Yes, please. Please.
Hi.
The he-goat that must sprout horns must be ready to have strong neck. A man who decides to chase an innocent chick to kill it must be ready to soil his hands with dust. Ibekwe. What a man sows, he must reap. I was in my house. You came to meet me. Now you have decided, Ibekwe, to harm me. What a man knows follows him. See? The man from Nkara land, what do you want?
Ode Igwe is gone beside himself. I have come to see you about him.
There is nothing I can do about him. The man who gathers ant-infested firewood invites lizard to a feast.
Igbo, you must do something. You must do something. We cannot live with the shame of having a Mandigo and losing our throne.
The man from Nkara land, return to your land.
I am the Onowu of my kingdom. Therefore, by the powers bestowed on me, I command you to commune with the gods and undo the thing you did to our Igwe.
And I will do no such thing.
If you do not undo what you did, I will show you the other ugly side of me. What is wrong with you?
Oh, you have come here to threaten me. I will give you a little thing for you to go home with.
Igbo, there's nothing you can do to me. I am the Onowu of my land. The gods have fortified me. You cannot do me anything. You cannot do me anything.
The man from Nkara land. Now, go home. Go home, scratching your body.
Scratch what you can?
Leave my presence.
Igbo,
I want you.
What did you do? Igbo?
My kinsman, it is said that an injury against a brother is only skin deep. It does not get to the bone. A spit against a brother is not sent upwards. Otherwise, it falls right back onto one's face. Nkara is in a very serious situation. And I believe the gods are angry with us.
Ichiokeke, why? What have we done that the gods should be angry against us? The man who does evil should bear the consequences of what he did.
Yes. Not so, my kinsman. Not so. Very soon, other neighboring kingdoms will begin to mock us as a kingdom without leaders. First, Igwe Wanyema got missing. And then Igwe Ibekwe became mad. These are very serious matters, are they not?
Yes, it's a serious matter. It means something has gone wrong in the Nkara kingdom.
Good.
And we need to appease the gods. Lolo, is there something you need to say to us?
My husband, though he was selfish and stubborn, was because of a lot of things. Though I don't want to go into all of that. I never supported him. Instead, I stood against him because of how he treated the people of Nkara. But both Wanyuma and Ibekwe were first of all of Nkara before they became Igwe. It was the wrong counsel from Izuogu that misled my husband.
I heard that Uzogu is itching all over his body.
Why? He insulted a powerful medicine man, and the man dealt with him. Who says a man will not reap what he sows?
Well, my kinsmen, we have to do something about Igwe Ibekwe, and we have to do that very quickly. Lolo, could you please take us to where he is so that we can at least see him and know how he's faring?
Hey! God Igwe! Hey! Hey! Yeah! I'm finished, oh. Hey.
What happened to him? What happened to you?
Hey, it is Igbo. It is Igbo, the mercy man from faraway land. That curse fell on me, oh.
Igbo?
Igbo.
What did you do to him?
Nothing. Nothing, no. No,
You lie. Igbo cannot cast a spell on you without you doing anything to him.
Oh, all right. I went to seek help for our Igwe. But when he was not forthcoming, I spoke to him wrongly. I insulted him. So he can't spell on me.
You see? You see what I've been trying to tell you? Change your evil ways, but you wouldn't listen. You kept giving my husband the wrong counsel. Look at where it has landed you. Look at where it has landed him. I don't have time for this. Go back to where you're coming from and go sort yourself out. As you can see, I am taking care of my sick husband. So please, go sort yourself out.
What do I do? What do I do? Go back to Igbo. Igbo. Hi. I think it is better to go.
Adjo, I'll be back. Let me go and get drink and some other things. The gods forbid you.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for insulting you. Please, forgive me. Please, remove this curse from me.
The stupid termite must always fall for the patient toad. So you are this humble. You are this humble.
Please, Igbo, I'm at your mercy. Please forgive me. I'm sorry for misleading Igwe Ibekwe and setting him up against his people. Please forgive me.
Tell the people of Ankara what you have just said. A man who breaks the yam standing will stoop to bring the remaining.
I will do anything you ask me to do. I'll do anything you ask me to do. Please, help me. Help me. Hey!
Adjo.
Hey, Igbo, I'm grateful. I'm grateful.
You will have to do exactly what you said. Failure to do that, I will return the inching upon you and your entire household.
No, I will not do it again.
You may not leave.
Chai. Hey.
Ajụ na-adegbu nwa mmadụ egbu o. Ajụ na-adegbu nwa mmadụ egbu a. Ajụ na-adegbu nwa mmadụ egbu o. Ajụ na-adegbu nwa mmadụ egbu o.
My people, it is true that Ankara has undergone so much troubles recently.
Hey.
But we are not going to rest on our oars until we find Igwe Wanyima.
Hey.
And of course, we also have to do something about Igwe Ibekwe.
Ichi okeke. Brakwa woge ngo. Where are you? Where Barulu? Which one is find Ibekwe? What is that? Is it not this same Ibekwe? The Ibekwe that has continuously been making a fool out of all of us?
Exactly.
Was it not the same Ibekwe who removed you from your elevated position as number 2, second in command? Oh no, who of this great kingdom? That same Ibekwe. And you're not telling me we thought
Mbadike has just spoken my mind.
Bam!
I support him.
Let's look for a better person.
Mbadike, indeed you have spoken well. Iche, okay. Let Ibekwe take care of himself.
Period.
My kinsman, let me crave your indulgence here. You see, a man, an elder, especially a titled man, does not sit down at home and watch the goat give birth with a rope around his neck. With my position and my age, I know so much about tradition and culture. And I tell you that as long as Ibekwe is alive, he remains the Igbe of Ankara. Eh? Yes. That is it. So, how are we going to look happily at our neighbors when we hear them call us people with a mad Igbe, people whose Igbe is mad? And Igbe fan and we'll be happy and we'll watch them and no, it's not like that.
We can choose another Igwe.
Yeah.
After all, our king, Ibekwe, is now a madman.
Oh. Things are not done that way.
No!
I am telling you, according to tradition and culture, according to the customs in Igbo land, things are not done that way. You don't do it that way.
No. Izogo! Ha! Izogo nyukwu ngatanga. What do you want from us? What do you want?
My kinsmen, I come in peace. Please, can I sit down, please?
What do you want from us? Izogo.
Speak.
Let me sit first. I will tell you everything. Let me sit first. Thank you. Thank you very much. Like I said before, I have not come to fight. On the contrary, I have come to apologize for contributing immensely to the sufferings of most of you and for misleading Igwe Ibekwe through my unhealthy counsels to him. Please. My knees are on the ground. Please, forgive me. Forgive me, please. Please. I am sorry.
Well, my kinsman, when a man commits an error, realizes his mistakes and retraces his steps, coming to beg for forgiveness, I think he should be forgiven.
Okay. If we are not yet still very early in the day, one would have easily concluded that you must have taken a little bit too much to drink. Yes, because I do not understand how you'll be talking this way. You are looking at Izuogo agada.
Traitor.
You are looking at him. You are looking at his face. You are listening to his cock and bull story, watching his crocodile tears.
This traitor.
And you think Izuogo, like you called him, Onya agada. One leg this side, one leg this other side. You think he means well.
Izuogo.
I can tell you for sure that this man here has only come to sample our opinions so that he can hereafter use them against us.
Exactly.
You are right. That's not so. I'm really very sorry for thinking that I could go without your people. Please, I now know better. In fact, I now understand that the strength of every leader lies in his subjects. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
That's why I say we should forgive him. After all, in Ankara, we know who is who. We know everybody. Yeah? Let us give him that benefit of doubt. Let's give him a second chance.
Ichie okeke. If you say so, okay, who am I? But I have something to say. Ichie Mbadike. The only way I will agree to accept this man back into our fold is if he will go out there and procure a cure, a madness healing, plaguing Ibekwe, the very person he himself deceived into this particular predicament. And of course, both of you will still have to find answers to the lingering questions regarding the disappearance of Igwe Wanyema.
Bam! You said it all.
Hey!
Amen.
Ibekwe Okisije. Oh! Hey! So what do we do now?
We know how to bury an Igwe. So the arrangement begins now. What is it? Izog, what is it?
My fellow elders, I have something to say. Yes, I have something to say so that my healing will be complete, please.
Say it, speak.
Thank the gods, I found this calabash. I have been looking for it all over the place. But I was able to find it under the throne.
What has the calabash got to do with us?
Hey! What? My king! My king! Please. Thou shalt not turn around to behold this evil, the carcass of this rebel. My king, please, do not turn around.
So, you have been the one behind the calamities we have through all this way?
No, it's not me. Hey, it was Letigwe. Yes, he confided in me that he put Wanyema inside this calabash.
Hey. And you kept it to yourself all this while?
I was on that oath. I couldn't tell anyone until Igbo, the powerful medicine man, instructed me to tell the others. So that our land will be restored and my healing complete.
So what are we going to do now?
What else do we do if not to take our beloved Igwe back to the palace and get the people so that we can represent her and she takes back what belongs to her rightfully?
What about the corpse?
What else if not to throw this corpse into the evil forest? Yes,
good.
We have to get the use to dispose of it accordingly.
Exactly.
Let us take Igwe back to the palace. Igwe.
Igwe. I'm your subject. Igwe, you rule forever.
Hey. Alive. Run. Engage the town crier. Tell him, let everybody gather at the palace immediately. Igwe is back. Igwe is back.
Yes.
Run. Igwe is back. Igwe is back. Igwe is back.
If I go put your bodo no no. Trouble maker. He won the crown. By all means. We are your boy. He won the crown. If you want peace to reign. We are your boy. If you want peace to reign. He won the crown. On his head. Chai, Ibekwe, take it easy, you know go. Ibekwe one never. The throne is yours. You are born to rule. Mana walu kwaya wanyo. Okolelu yelu wala hogoda. Ikukubia. If I follow walu, I must be the king. Echira piwe achi obodo. Ibekwe nwanne m Ibekwe amụgide nwa amụta ofu n'ụwa amụta tụrụ ọbụrụ meka Ibekwe ọ na-azọra ite ndị ichie unamakwa na nke a bịara ụwa do amụta tụrụ ọbụrụ Ibekwe Ibekwe ọ na-azọra ite ọkwa amụgide nwa amụta nsogbu n'obodo amụta tụrụ ọbụrụ meka Ibekwe ife abụkwa ọkpụkpụ dị obodo n'ọnụ amụta tụrụ ọbụrụ meka Ibekwe ọ na-azọra ite he won the crown by all means